Back in time, go back where everything was found between us. It was a route between us. Whoa, whoa. They ain't be like you. So can we go back in time? Everything was right. It was alright.
Come downtown, bro. Like, this shit is just all new to me. All new to me. I'm actually about to go by the meat. Other people. But like this spot over here where I'm headed to, this is where we have our cars and coffee in Houston. It's actually a pretty nice spot. It's always some nice shit. Like, it ain't really like no bullshit, all the bullshit bills and everything like that. Like, it's always some nice quality shit. So if you're ever in Houston, bro, and they have a car meet over at Post HTX, yeah, pull up, bro, because it's some shit to see over here, that's for sure. Those fucking people should be turned, bro. The meet's supposed to be over and they still out there bullshitting around. I guess that's why so many people out. But still hella people. I don't know what you're doing, but that's not what you're supposed to do. But hella nice cars, bro. Hella nice cars, bro. And usually, like, the police, they really don't even be tripping either. Like, they let you come out here to do whatever the hell you want to do. Like, motherfuckers be out here really, like, turning up and shit. They turn. But I don't know, I think like they kind of like, getting on people's ass. Look at my boy. I know they be pissed off when we park right here, cause it ain't no parking in this bitch. Ain't no parking in this bitch. Look at him, he looking like, yeah, you better move that, dog.
You got the Ghost King on too.
Hey, my boy. I was like, man, this boy in the middle of the street.
My shit, man, it's so crazy.
I thought you already had it on there.
I got I'm still on my E85, so I got the Ghost King on too, but it's on my 93.
Oh, yeah. That boy, tell you, that boy a one-on-one, man.
Chasing my dreams, trying to get up and make me feel like Tyree. I'm the real definition of a falling star.
Yeah, we out here. bitch kinda loud as fuck. Damn! I got popcorn going on and shit. God damn! That bitch loud as fuck! Bitch loud as fuck. My boy straight took me straight popcorn. Damn, cuz got a pop too. I didn't know this shit was popping like that. Got a Ferrari out there? Damn. That boy got the Ferrari out and shit. He's showing out. Shit was popping like that. That's crazy. I ain't know that. So where we at? We're about 12 minutes from this beach. Damn. Gotta go way across town. My niggas out here tearing this shit up, man. Kobe out here, flat tires and shit. Dylan out here tearing his fenders up. Come on, man. What y'all doing, bro? Y'all out here embarrassing the squad, man. Tripping. Straight tripping, bro. My nigga said, fuck it, I'm chilling now, nigga. When I ran all that goddamn gas out, that's what that is. It's a favorite spot right here. Might as well say this my second crib. Shit actually pretty cheap though. your shit start popping? I said, when your shit start popping? Boy, got us going cross country in this motherfucker. Toll roads, everything. What the fuck? This shit over there. Well, but you look at that.
I'm gonna keep on trying for you.
There we go. I said, you don't get no fuck today, man. Look, I can't zoom in on that shit, but that was dirty. You ain't like the sushi, man? My boy came out looking sad. Not the sushi, man. Goddamn. Yeah, got your ass, boy. That hoe dirty. My shit dirty too. But it is what it is. We ain't talking about my shit. We talking about your shit. Yeah, look at him. Damn, Ghost, you gotta do better, bro. You gotta do better. So we can get some sound clips in. Know he gonna smack that hoe. Yeah, caught that boy in 4K. Look at him. Dirty. Dirty.
Hey, I ain't washed my shit.
Dirty. Bird doo-doo.
Hey, lights still clean.
Get the bird doo-doo. Yeah. Hey, yeah. All that. Hey, go ahead, hit the lights for him one time. Go hit the lights for him. Yeah. It's clean. He just got bird doo-doo everywhere. Got that boy. Okay, go follow my boy, man. Oh yeah, right here. Yeah. Gang shit. Somebody building booths. That is him.
He can park next to me.
Hey, let's switch.
Bingo. Hey, I thought this only
Damn, that bitch look good.
Great.
Yeah, bro. We got the fastest Mustang in Houston. We got a dirty.
Man, listen, man. It is what it is.
He's still clean though, man. He got the headlights, so it don't even matter.
Yeah.
He got the headlights.
Oh, look at this. That's how my tire was.
Oh,
That's how mine was.
damn.
Bald as fuck.
I probably need to check mine.
With wires. What's that? Damn, you can smell that fucking. I just did it, like in that neighborhood right here. We came through it. I was at a stop because we were gonna do it at the light right there at 59. But then the light turned and I was like, all right, fuck it. Then we came to a stop sign. I was like, ain't nobody here.
Surprised we didn't hear your ass.
I know. Probably like it was fat as fuck.
Go follow my boy, man.
We did it for like 30 seconds. I don't.
Damn, that boy got a dark horse out here. Yeah, you know, out with the guys. You know, nothing too crazy. Something small. That was actually Apollo's, that was actually his first meet that he's done in the daytime. That's kind of crazy. Not gonna lie, I actually kind of fuck with those a little bit more, because like it ain't like, you know, I mean it's crazy, but it ain't, you know what I'm saying, crazy, shut down crazy. Like that shit only lasts like 10 minutes type shit. Yeah, my boy should definitely keep doing that shit. That's cool. That's chill. But you know. But anyway, like I said, new year, new resolution. We're gonna try to shoot more content. No promises. Only because of work, of course. I mean, what else would it be? But yeah, we're gonna keep on trying to fork out more content. Man, that's gonna be kind of tough. But you know. Anyway, see y'all on the next one.